2014 Topps Tier 1, number 10. Here are your squads. Thanks, Philip. What's everybody's thoughts on this product? Pretty solid, right? Design's nice, simple, yet has a little bam to it. Feel like everybody kind of like put their best penmanship into it. Good so far. Stickers 99. All right, number to 254, Dustin Pedroia. Yes, it is, Manziel. Number 299, Eric Davis. Number 10 of 10, Tony Cingrani. Sherman won the cover, huh? Beat out Cam Newton, wasn't it? Number 399, Edwin Encarnacion. Number 299, Jay Bruce. Number 299, Lee Smith. And to 99, Todd Frazier. Yep, Ripken and Robin Young. Yeah, they are, and I think the Reds are still available in a couple breaks coming up. Number to 50, C.J. Wilson. Number to 50, Adrian Beltre. Number to 25 for the Twins, Ricky Nolasco. Hell yes, it is. Number to 399, Eric Johnson. Here's the best part. Both in the same case. Can't make that up. Number to 299, Julius Chassin. Number to 299, Ben Zobrist. That I did. Number to 50, Mike Zunino. I'm sorry. Number to 299, Jackie Bradley Jr. 299, Jim Rice. And to 50, Will Myers. Yet the Rays are still available in a few breaks. Odd. Number 299, Ryan Braun. Billy Hamilton. Number 38 of 50, Nasty Mike Trout for Jay George. Nasty card. Thanks, everybody. Do appreciate it.